Greetings of the day, everyone. I am Harish Konanki from South Westphalia University of Applied Sciences, Germany. I am glad to present you today the research carried out on model-based control of a gravimetric dosing conveyor for alternative fuels in the cement industry. Let me shortly tell you about the main course of the presentation today. I will give you a short overview of the current research objective, followed by introducing the proposed solution. In the next phase, I will demonstrate the model-based simulation used in the project, and I will try to prove the efficiency of the model with various test case results. At last, I will conclude the presentation by describing the project outcome and possibly a further research. In the bulk material handling industries, there are no accurate material measuring systems to help to achieve the desired output mass flow rate. Especially with increasing the use of non-homogeneous alternative fuels in cement industries, the importance of such systems is considerably increased. Thus, the research focused on developing a mechanically stable and reliable conveyor for transporting bulk materials and also equipped with highly robust measuring systems. This system can help to weigh fibrous and non-homogeneous materials with varying bulk densities. The advanced controller architecture developed is expected to maintain a stable mass flow rate and steady mass on the conveyor. For this, the model-based simulation approach has been identified as the potential approach, as it is a smart and economical way to test various industrial test scenarios before building the prototype on the shop floor. As you can see here, the conventional conveyor model needs to be equipped with accurate measuring and feedback systems in the first place to be able to compute the actual mass flow rate, as this would help to design a control loop later on. For example, in this case, the measured values would be conveyor load from the load cell and the conveyor speed from the motor feedback. From these measured values, the actual mass flow rate would be computed, and as of now, as there is no control loop yet, there is no proper control over the mass flow. However, once the model attains accuracy in computing the actual mass flow rate, the desired mass flow can be attained with a control loop regulating the conveyor speed as shown in here. If you see in this case as an abstract example, with the measured values of speed and the conveyor load, the mass flow rate is computed and the control loop model is expected to reach the desired steady mass flow rate by regulating the speed of the conveyor as shown as an example here. Now let me demonstrate the idea of gravimetric plate dosing conveyor. This gravimetric plate dosing conveyor is a plate band conveyor type where individual plates with a pair of rollers are attached to a chain to form a conveyor. The conveyor is equipped mainly with two load cell stations, one to measure the plate load with no mass on the conveyor, and the other load cell is to measure the conveyor plates with the material on top. The difference between both of them is the actual mass on the measuring length. I would like to shift my focus now on to define how this is achieved mathematically, considering a load cell station that measures the full load. For every iteration of the simulation model, it computes the actual mass on the conveyor using the mass balance on measuring length. The actual mass on the conveyor is the rate of change of mass from the previous iteration to the current iteration. It is literally the mass that was there before plus the current change in mass. Also, considering the Newton's laws of motion helps the model to define a control law to regulate the speed of the conveyor to reach the desired mass flow rate. Let me show you the plant model schematically here. The input flow rate onto the conveyor is defined by the pre-feeding factor of the screw conveyor here. In an open loop plant, the speed of the conveyor and the pre-feeding factors are adjusted manually. Considering the measured values available from the plant model, there are two control loops designed in the controller architecture. The first control loop with a PID attains the desired output mass flow rate by regulating the speed of the conveyor, and the other control loops make sure to regulate the actual mass on the conveyor by adjusting pre-feeding factor automatically. Thus, the design controller architecture not only attains the mass flow rate but also makes sure that the system is safely operating. Moving on to the model-based modeling of the proposed idea, a thorough research has been conducted and the absolute requirements have been obtained to design the program structure and to develop the algorithm. In the first phase, a basic model has been developed and simulated under different operating conditions. Then the proposed controller architecture has been implemented and tested. The code generation capability of the simulation model helped to generate PLC code and supported testing the model with hardware in loop. Finally, the controller architecture has also been integrated into the prototype and tested to verify the efficiency. When it comes to the performance of the model has been tested in an open loop and a closed loop. In an open loop, the model's accuracy in measuring the mass and the process velocity of the model has been tested, keeping the speed of the conveyor constant and at varying mass flow from the screw feeder. The no load and full load readings from the two load cell stations respectively are acquired and shown here. As said before, the difference between these readings gives the actual mass. With the help of the actual mass and the speed, the conveyor's output mass flow rate is obtained as shown here. Similarly, in a closed loop testing, in this case, the model is tested at a constant mass flow rate for the desired mass flow rate set point of 25 kg per second and verifying the mass flow controller performance. As you can see here, the controller made sure it reaches the output mass flow set point by adjusting the conveyor speed. Similarly, the model is tested by varying the mass flow rate set point in regular intervals and also defining the desired mass set points. Both controllers controlled the process parameters as expected and controller architecture had performed to its potential. I would like to bring you to the final stretch of the presentation where I introduce the real prototype machine assembled at research partner DiMarzio. The prototype consists of a screw conveyor, chain conveyor, bucket elevator, material bunker, pre-feeder and finally the gravimetric plate dosing conveyor. All together with an aim to operate the conveyor at a stable and desired output parameters. The prototype model was tested at various operating conditions too. To prove the efficiency and effectiveness of the simulation modeling, a test at varying conveyor speed and at 60% of the pre-feeding has been carried out. A varying velocity has been followed for the test as shown here, and the simulation results obtained from the prototype shows the relevance to the changes in the mass flow with the change in speed. Similarly, the test has also been conducted on the simulation and the results are plotted against the prototype results and proved to be identical and precisely close as shown here. In conclusion, as a result of the research, a model-based gravimetric plate dosing conveyor has been modeled and simulated. Accurate metering and measuring technology is developed and coupled with advanced controller architecture to attain steady mass flow. The model is validated with the real prototype data and the effectiveness of the model is proved. Finally, I would like to thank the funding agency. The research is funded by the German Federal Ministry of Economic Affairs and Energy under the auspices of the Central Innovation Program of Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises. Also, I would like to thank my fellow researchers and the company partner DiMarzio Group for their constant support. I would also extend my thanks to all the audience for your patience and attention.